I think I'm ready to go to the next step of this project, and that's going to be installing an SSD. Okay, let's start by removing the RAM. So this looks like the network module. This is the fan. I think I'm going to take out this fan as well. Such an awkward position. Okay, let's see if this can come out. Yeah, boo. The Wi-Fi module is also still connected. Preferably, I'd like to keep that connected as well. Comes off pretty easily. Okay, we've got a 256 gig SSD. This is an old one that used to be in my PC that I just wasn't really using. Let's get this back. So we're basically just doing everything in reverse order of how we took it out. And now just to put the fan back. Twist it clockwise, and that should lock it into place. So that was it for the SSD installation. Stay tuned for the installation of the OS.